Temptation of my channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is Ngobo Temptation of my channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Galanse 0. It's a Nedbank Cup semi-final. Oh, brother, kunjani?
Kunjani mfowami?
Sharp kunjani mfethu?
Sharp man. Hey, narrow win man. Hey,
Narrow win, eh?
Man, kumele sishaya 2-3 goals. But first half labantu laba bebapaka ipasi man. And le coach abenza i-decision estupid. Angazwa abeka umhango
Ebenchini, yeah.
uDiong mfethu.
Exactly.
Bekumele afake labo bantu labo kuqala sihambe pound to pound.
Yeah,
So first half iplan yakhe bekupaka nje ibhasi because bebanga press nokupress. Masiphethe ibhola yithi besidlala ngebhola nje selikhuphuka. So ekugcineni sakwazi ukupressa sathola isikhiya sokuvula le bhasi balipakile sakora ugoal. So but second half then they started to play and bebadlala kula manje njengoba benza ama substitute bekwazi ukudlala ibhola bekudlala ibhola ke manje nathi it was
open,
it was open game baza kithi nathi siyakubo but I think it was a good game overall. Good win from Orlando Pirates, but I'm not happy with the scoreline. I think we should have scored more goals, 2 to 3
2
goals.
or 3 goals, yeah.
And I think maybe Coach Anayetu save our Mofu game because next week it's a very important game.
Very important,
if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's Kev, yeah.
So I think over so that is pyramid. So I think mkhambi coach ubona ukuthi no ngcono rest amanye ama player yenze lento abantu abayikhalelayo i squad rotation.
Exactly.
But into ebuhlungu man la stadium man abantu sebalwa kakhulu manqobo kancane bashayana ngothi game isadlala abantu sebayenzo abantu abarespectana man if umuntu ukhuluma into onga understand uphuma kuye man sizele la kuzoenjoy game sizele kuzoenjoy game. Yeah, so I think it's vital ukuthi umuntu is understand isikhuzane vele nawo manje umuntu omaziyo ukuthi akekho mnandi ukhuza lo muntu because mase sisaba ukuzana incosi zethu stadium because mase kuyashawana and all that but overall mfethu Shenko, thank you Shevchenko uDlamini as is a star player, you know him and usinikele goal beselidinga and then all the best to Pirates ku final next week. I'm sure zabe silana sizoba support abafowethu but what a narrow win. So very narrow win.
Nice one. Congratulations man.
Thank you.
Somebody say love us, man.